Welcome back to Crypto Spaces, back with another Russell update for you guys. Russell right now sitting at 6 million market cap, right? You know what's so interesting? I just saw one of the top traders, man. He called a project called Ping, right? Ping on base chain. He called it under 500k market cap, and it ran all the way to 80 mil market cap in like a day, right? From its launch, right? So let's go back in time and show you guys. This is Ping. This is like the first the first iteration of the X402 payment system protocol that we saw, right? This was under 500k market cap, guys, like literally at its launch, right? And it ran all the way up to 80 mil in like a day, right? The moves in the space could be massive and extremely quick. It's just that you know, it's only certain projects, and you know, having your hands on projects like that is a very difficult skill to do. To be early in projects like this, and you know, be able to hold all the way up or ride them up to like 100x moves, it's very difficult to do, right? But that same trader is bullish on Russell in one of his recent tweets. Let me pull it up and show you guys. Do I have it retweeted so it's faster to find? Or do I have to, you know, just scroll through? I probably have to just scroll through, huh? Oh man, let me see. Okay, I think the smartest bet, let's see, the smartest bet here, bear with me guys, my bad, what am I doing? The smartest bet here is to do this. No, let me see. This is the smartest bet, hold on. I just want to show you guys, man. He's one of the better traders in this space, right? And I don't see him grifting. I don't see him bundling or inside or scamming or on any of that stuff, right? Just a legit trader, right? So Owari, the ETH, right? He, you know, made a tweet saying he has Nick Shirley, right? We're bullish on Nick Shirley here. Real Gary 10, we're bullish on that, and Russell as a barbell, right? So with someone like him having exposure to Russell, in my opinion, that is a great sign, guys. You got to look for the top traders having exposure to projects like this, right? To your project. If one of the top traders who, you know, has made great calls, probably is a multi-millionaire, more likely than not, is holding your project, you know there's going to be upside, right? You have, I would say it's more probable that the project is successful. It has more probability of that, right? So again, as you guys can see, right, from the chart, Russell is just making higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, right? And that is great. That is what you want to see, man. This is one of the only projects in the space that is making these higher lows one step at a time. And again, a lot of other projects in the space right now. As you can see, I have my resistance here at 25 mil. I think once Russell breaks its previous all-time high, it's gonna be a crazy move. It will be a crazy move. But a lot of projects, you look at my drawing right here, a lot of projects are just going down, little bounce, then go down again, little bounce, then go down again, right? Whereas Russell, as you can see, is climbing up higher low, higher low, higher low. You know, I think that's what's happening with the Russell chart right now, right? It's just making higher lows and climbing as, you know, the market, you know, plays out, right? So right now it's outperforming Bitcoin, and that's what you want to be in. You want to be in projects that outperform Bitcoin, right? That's what you want to see. You want to be in projects that are, you know, outpacing Bitcoin, or else what's the point? If your project is doing this, dropping, bounce, dropping, bounce, dropping, bounce, I don't think that's a project you want to be in. You want to be in a project that climbs up, drops back down, climbs up, drops back down, climbs up, drops back. You know, pretty simple stuff, right? So again, like I said, Russell in a great spot. If you didn't get that entry, if you didn't think like you got a good entry, anything under 10 mil market cap, in my opinion, is a great buy for Russell. So, you know, just a couple days ago, yesterday, day before, it was at 8.8 million market cap. Now it's at 6.18 million. I think 100,000 Russell is a way to go. That's only going to be $619 right now. $619, right? I don't think that's going to put you in debt, break your bank account, make you, you know, cry your eyes out and say, crypto has ruined me, if you lose that, right? I don't think that's going to be the case. Obviously, never invest more than you're willing to lose, but I think 100,000 Russell we go to billions in market cap, which I think is very possible. I'm not like, I showed in the video before that there was like 10, 11 dog coins that got to billions, man. And Russell, again, is another dog coin. I think it's possible. Like, why would it not be possible? Someone tell me. The only argument you have is that the market conditions are different. It's way more difficult in these market conditions for a project to do that. Well, what if they, get easy again? What if they get even easier than we saw in 2024? What if retail actually comes back, right? Then what? You have no excuse then, right? So I think Russell is in a great spot, like I said. So let's take a look at the X. Followers are growing 6,375. Anya just made a post about Russell with some AI tool, right? AI video of Russell, which is pretty cool to see. It's not just the dog. Russell is, and then you could reply down below. Let's take a look and see some of the replies. Let's see what people said. Russell is base. Russell is undervalued. A good dog. Russell is super. Nice to see, man. So this one is pretty funny. This is the guy from Venezuela. He has a Russell beanie on. Okay, that is pretty funny, man. This is a good one. This is a good one right here. Okay, so again, like I said, I've already laid it out, man. I don't think I have to make the videos that long anymore. And it looks like Russell is ready to start climbing up again as I make the video, right? It was just at 6 million flat. Now it's at 6.2. So people are already stepping in to buy. So like I said, I think a billion market cap, if not 3 billion, is possible here. I've made my thesis and my idea and laid it out. I've already took, which is a smart thing to do. I've already taken my initial with some profits, letting the rest ride to Valhalla. That way I could, don't have to worry about whatever happens to that investment, and, don't have to be too emotional so I make bad decisions. Holding all the way up to billions is tough. It's not going to be easy to hold there, but it's possible if you cut your emotions, right? So, as always, none of this is financial advice, guys. Like, subscribe, share the video. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. I'll catch you in the next one.